Chills up. Man, I'm about to leave, man. Shit. I'm about to go to another place. So this is my room. I'm going to leave this room. It's crazy. I will remember this room forever. This room, I will remember this room forever. I did a lot of shit in this room. I did a lot of shit in this room. Thing that's gonna change my life later. I did it in this room. This room is great. It's a great room. See? This my bed. This my bed. Damn. I will miss this room a lot. That's crazy. This is a room. I did everything in this room. And today I'm going to leave this room. Shit. Crazy. Crazy. Damn. See, every day I used to look outside through the window. Just like that. Check this. This all. See. This all outside, man. This all outside. God damn it. Crazy. See? Crazy. Another room right here. I'm the only one that remain at home now. All my friends, they have gone to different places. So I'm the last one. I'm the last one in the house. And I'm going to leave right now. Shit. This is another room. The one for my friend. He already left. He already went to another place. My nigga. What the fuck? See? Another window right here. I used to open the window just to see outside. Shit. I will miss this place. See? Oh, like I used to look outside like this, see the trees over there, the beautiful look. I will miss this place. Shit. And I will come back again. That's crazy. I'll come back again another time. When I get my shit right, when I get everything right for me, I will come back. This is the bathroom. Shit, this is the bathroom. This is the place where I used to practice everything. This mirror, this is the place where I used to practice everything. That's crazy, man. That's crazy. See outside the beautiful look. See, I used to look outside like this every day. Shit. Damn. That's crazy. What the fuck? This saloon, sitting room in this shit. And now all my shit are ready. I'm about to go. Fuck. This is another mirror. This is another mirror that I used to practice everything. Yeah, make my shit like this. What the fuck, nigga? Yeah. Another room right here. Oh, abundant room. All my niggas. They went to another place. Shit. Last time, last things. Oh shit, like this. You see this shed right here? This is the first shed that when I came here, this is the first shed I went to and sit on it. When I was new, it's crazy. Everything is crazy. Everything is crazy. Everything is crazy. This is the kitchen. Shit, this is the kitchen. crazy. Kitchen. Damn it. It's everything. If you see it like this is a beautiful look. Every day I used to see it like this. Fuck. Crazy. I will miss this place. I will miss this place. Good luck. Good luck. Everything will be good. Yeah. Everything will be good. I'm not mad that I'm going to another place, but it would be another challenge for me. Yeah. It's gonna be another challenge. I get back to room again. It's my bed. It's my bed. I did everything on this bed. I created everything on this bed. This is my bed. Look at my chair over there. This is a small room like a cell. Huh? This is a small room like a cell. See, I was right here with my nigga. They took him to another place. So, and this bed, this is a legendary bed. My shit. Damn. That's crazy. I picture myself sleeping like this. Let me take the last picture. On my bed. Alright, cool. See you. Yeah.